Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most kind. Welcome to Smart Learning Academy. Today we are going to study how long. How long is WH or information question phrase. ग्रामर के लिहाज से how long को हम WH या information question phrase कहते हैं. It is used to ask about number 1 duration or length of an activity or time. किसी एक्टिविटी के दौरानिया को मालूम करने के लिए हम how long इस्तेमाल करते हैं. For example, how long have you been waiting? Only for a minute or two. How long does the concert last? It lasts 1 hour. How long does it take to write an article? Almost 1 hour. Number 2. The measured length of something. किसी चीज़ की पैमाइश के लिए. For example, how long was the wedding dress? It was very short, knee length really. I see you are growing your hair. How long do you want it to be? Shoulder length at least. Now what is lost? Lost is a verb. According to grammar, lost is called a verb, which means continue or take, जिसका मतलब है जारी या लेना. It is used to talk about the length of time that something continues. ये किसी एक्टिविटी के दौराने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. For example, how long does the movie last? मूवी कितने मिनट्स के लिए जारी रहता है. It lasts 3 hours. ये तकरीबन 3 घंटे लेते हैं या 3 घंटों के लिए जारी होते हैं. This is the end of the lesson. If you have any difficulty, any query, any suggestion, you can write me in the comment box. Thanks for watching.